22 years, yes. And 17 years bill only for white building. Another 5 years bill all this thing. So total 22 years the bill in Taj Mahal, yeah. And Shah Jahan is a Muslim king. So Shah Jahan first built no Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan first built this building, right color. This is a mosque. The Friday Taj Mahal is closed. No tourists visit here. Only for Muslim people come to namaz. This place. So Shah Jahan first built this building, then built a Taj Mahal. And that two building is no beauty of Taj. So Shah Jahan built same kind building behind the tree. They call guest house. Now again to perfect symmetry of this.
Oh yeah, symmetry.
And the total height is Taj Mahal, 285 feet the height total. The width is 185. And total area is 36 acre. And Taj Mahal is a perfect symmetrical, yeah. You will see the Taj Mahal here, same design. When you see the right, left, behind, like a same. And the behind the Taj Mahal is a river. The name is Jamna, the holy river. And meet by Ganga, the big river. And I tell, Taj Mahal always change the color. You know why? The Taj Mahal stone using is called two stone. Look at this stone, right color, is called sandstone. This stone local in Agra. The place Fatehpur Sikri, 36 kilometers far away. And second stone using Taj Mahal is called white marble. So the white marble from Jaipur, the city of Makrana, 300 kilometers far away. And that time here no any vehicle. So the all stone coming here by camel, horse, by elephant, right? It's very difficult. And you will see this building like a 354 years old, and that time here no any cement. So the white marble, the joined by the fourth thing: sugar, honey, limestone. Limestone meaning is tuna. Then egg yolk. You know egg inside the yolk. The four missing things then glow, then join the marble, and it's still Taj Mahal here. And the foundation is Taj Mahal, the foundation. The first in the water, then sandalwood, then here. The hemming here, the animals here together 4 feet down. Then limestone, then sandstone, then marble. You know why the here is down? If you earthquake here, that this building no break like a vibration. And here like a spring, like a cushion. The chief engineer, architect name is Isha Fanzi from Turkey, the designer. After he designed the Taj Mahal, cut the hand, one person. You know why? He no make another one. But king tell before this, you done my job, I cut the hand, but I give you money generation to generation. So one man certification life, the whole family is very happy. Then you see the fountain here. All over the fountain, 65 piece here. The Mughal time is a perfume come out like a rose water. Now only water, no perfume. Then you see the top pinnacle. This is 8 meter height and 85 kg gold. But now no more gold. The British took that time, now brass, no more gold to here.
British took.
Then inside the Taj Mahal is a queen king dead body. Over the dead body is a very big diamond to India. It's called Kohinoor, but now not here.
British
the one
took.
part London Museum, the second part Queen Elizabeth Crown. And when you people go inside, the two tomb inside. The small tomb in the center is the lady of Taj, the Mumtaz, queen. The bigger one, the husband, Shah Jahan. The real one is down. So nobody see the down one. When you go inside, people see only duplicate one. And ma'am, I tell you again to you, Taj Mahal always change the color. Because of the marble change the color. If you see the Taj Mahal in the morning time, the sunrise, that time Taj Mahal little pink color. If you see now, white color. And when you see the night time, moon in the top, that time the milky white. So Taj Mahal you heard about in the TV is the more beautiful in the night. You know why? Because of the you will see the all over the Taj Mahal, again the beautiful flower here. Red is coralline, yellow sapphire, the black star of India, the lucky stone. When you go to sunlight, moonlight, the all flower like a sparkling, like a diamond. But the black one, the star of India, I tell, the lucky stone in Agra, this stone not like a sparkling. This stone is a beautiful star. If you're wearing a pendant, ring, earrings. If sunlight come here, moonlight, candlelight, the beautiful star, always brilliant. And this stone I tell again to you, peaceful mind, good health, money come to you, and bad evil no come to you together each other. And that stone you never see anywhere in the world because of not export. The government not allowed to export. When tourists come, then people see here. I show this thing after Taj Mahal to you. Then you always remember me. And I tell you, Agra only one place to India is a tax-free zone. No any tax in Agra. You know why? Agra no any industries here. All things by hand things here. So whatever people buying here, no any tax. After Taj, I show the all good things to you. Yeah. Now, brother, I tell you, everyone have a shoe cover.
Yeah.
Okay. Now all of you people see my direction. All people go to like straight, then go to left. You see the minaret, left minaret, and this see the all four minaret, not straight one.